Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best needle felting kit is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable craft supplies you can get your hands on, offering a unique way to create charming 3D wool sculptures with just a few basic tools and a lot of creativity. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to dive into a new hobby or an experienced crafter seeking a portable and satisfying project, these kits provide everything you need to get started, making them an excellent choice for anyone wanting to explore the tactile and rewarding world of wool sculpting. Number 5. IMZAY Needle Felting Tools Wool Felting Supplies Kit. Embark on your felting journey with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to begin your creative projects right away. This ergonomic wooden handle allows you to use multiple needles at once, significantly speeding up your felting process. It's designed for comfort and a secure grip. Crafted from superior metal, these needles are built to last. With 60 pieces, you'll always have replacements on hand, making your crafting experience smooth and convenient. The included foam mat is made from a high-density, compression-resistant material. This ensures durability, provides a stable surface for your work, and enhances both speed and safety. Keep all your tools organized and secure in the provided plastic box. The handle and needles can be easily disassembled for compact storage, so nothing gets lost. This kit is ideal for all your DIY felting wool projects. Unleash your creativity and create unique handmade items with ease. What we like. This kit offers a massive 68 needles, including a comfortable 8-needle handle for rapid felting. If you are looking to speed up your projects and want a robust set of tools for extensive use, this is a great choice. Its durable materials ensure longevity for all your felting endeavors. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors of wool roving, which is great for creating different designs. The felting needles are sharp and durable, making it easy to felt the wool. The kit comes with a foam pad that provides a stable surface for felting. Number 4. IMZAY 50 Colors Needle Felting Kit. Tired of messy craft supplies? This kit comes with a beautiful green storage bag, keeping all your tools neat and accessible. It's designed for easy management and portability, so you can craft anywhere. Unleash your creativity with 50 stunning colors of high-quality wool roving. Each pack contains 3 grams of soft, fluffy fiber with bright, non-caking colors, perfect for bringing your felted creations to life. This starter kit includes 28 felting needles of 4 different types, neatly organized in separate bottles. We've also included a comfortable wooden handle to enhance your felting experience. Work with ease on our larger, thicker felting pad. Made from soft felt and upgraded sponges, it's more durable than standard foam mats and can be reused many times for a work-free crafting session. Beyond the essentials, you'll find 7 fun molds for crafting cute shapes. The kit also includes an oil wiping cloth, awl, scissors, tweezers, and many other small accessories neatly stored within the bag. From the softest wool to specialized tools and convenient storage, this comprehensive set has everything a beginner or experienced crafter needs to get started on their next project. What we like. This kit boasts a vibrant palette with 50 colors of wool roving, perfect for bringing your creations to life. If you love having a wide range of colors to choose from and appreciate organized, portable storage, this set is ideal. It's especially suited for those who enjoy creating colorful felted animals and figures. What people say. It comes in a cute green storage bag and includes 18 beautiful colors of high-quality natural wool roving. The kit also has 24 felting needles in 3 different bottles, a wooden handle, a thick felting pad, felt molds, and a bunch of useful extras like tweezers, a scissor, even a phone lanyard. The wool is soft and easy to work with, and the molds help create perfect shapes. The kit has all of the essentials to get you started with 2 different tool styles and cleaning cloth and even some eyes and noses in a little case with some other little tools and odds and ends. Number 3. QMNNNMA Needle Felting Starter Kit. Unleash your creativity with our all-in-one needle felting starter kit. Everything you need to begin your crafting adventure is right here. This comprehensive set includes a foam pad, various felting needles, keychain accessories, and clear instructions. You'll have all the tools necessary to create adorable wool figures. Craft with confidence using our premium, natural wool. It's soft, non-clumping, and vibrantly colored, ensuring beautiful and satisfying results every time. Choose from a variety of cute animal designs. Transform these high-quality materials into charming little creatures and enjoy a rewarding crafting experience. Our detailed tutorials make it simple for beginners to follow along. Experienced crafters can also explore their creativity and design unique pieces. Share the joy of crafting with loved ones or enjoy some relaxing leisure time yourself. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves handmade crafts and felting. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for creating cute felt animals with detailed instructions. If you are a beginner looking for a guided experience to make adorable wool dolls, this is the perfect starting point. It provides pre-portioned materials, making the process straightforward and rewarding. What people say. There are step-by-step directions with color photos and plenty of wool to create. The needles were durable for me and did not break. They provide a few in different sizes so you have all you need. The wool was a fine quality to use and felted pretty easily. Comes with almost everything you need, 3 different colors of wool, 2 sizes of needles, felting mat, eyes, and curing. Fairly easy video instructions accompanied by a brief written pamphlet. Overall it's pretty intuitive. Number 2. Mayboos Pastoral Style Needle Felt Starter Set. Unleash your creativity with our comprehensive needle felting starter set. It includes all the essential materials and tools you need to begin your crafting journey. Craft with confidence using our high-quality wool. It's pure, odorless, and free from impurities, ensuring a safe and enjoyable felting experience. Our kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. With pre-printed felt cloth and detailed instructions, you can start creating beautiful pieces right away. Transform your finished felt creations into lovely home decor. The included picture frame allows you to display your artwork as a unique wall hanging or accent piece. Share the joy of crafting with loved ones. This kit makes a wonderful gift for friends and family, offering a fun and engaging handmade activity to strengthen bonds. Embrace a charming pastoral aesthetic with this delightful needle felting kit. Create pieces that bring a touch of rustic beauty to any space. What we like. Focusing on a charming pastoral style, this kit includes a unique picture frame for your finished artwork. If you enjoy creating decorative pieces and want a simple, guided craft, this is an excellent option. The pre-printed felt cloth makes it incredibly easy to follow along and create beautiful home decor. What people say. Very nice kit with everything you need to complete the project. Great starter kit for someone who has never felted, or who is experienced. The wool is great quality. The frame was easy to put on as well. Number 1. Veroave 385 PCS Needle Felting Kit. Discover the joy of needle felting with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to bring your ideas to life, from rich wool colors to essential tools. This complete set comes with 45 vibrant colors of wool roving, a variety of felting needles, and comfortable handles. All neatly organized in a convenient storage bag. New to needle felting? No problem. This kit includes an instruction manual to guide you. Easily create charming keychains, animal figures, and more. Work comfortably on the included felting pad, designed for durability and resilience. It provides a stable surface for all your projects, along with fun graphic molds. Spend quality time with family and friends creating unique crafts. These handmade items make thoughtful and personalized gifts for any occasion. With 385 pieces and 45 colors of wool, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create beautiful home decorations and figures. What we like. With an impressive 385 pieces, this kit is the most comprehensive option, including 45 colors of wool roving. If you want an all-in-one solution with everything you need for extensive projects and home decoration, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those who want to dive deep into needle felting without needing to purchase additional supplies. What people say. It has quite a bit of stuff in it too, multiple needles, scissors, templates, wool and other fun stuff. The wool comes in a lot of pretty colors too. This was my first felting kit and I love it. I still use this bag and some of the products. I definitely recommend for beginners and even the experienced alike for a little travel bag or starter bag. Great variety of products to get you going. Made with quality materials. Really like the felting pad and felt color assortment. Have been using them for a few days now without issue and so far none have broken. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.